it up that fat bitch, then cock back and leave your ass leaking. Right now I'm off exotic walking, got my ass leaning. I'ma catch his hat from behind like his name Lincoln. I had to cut the music off, I heard a lane speaking. I had to cut my main off because she lame cheating. Nigga mad as fuck about his bitch because his main need. Up that fat bitch, then hit his dome and now his brain leaking. Hard than the fuck tryna take a piss and see this freak bitch. I spin the block and cut the lights off, you heard what I said. He used to beating up the bricks like he friends with Craig. You ever seen the big Glock came attached with peg? This a big chopper up the skull if I aim for head. Freak bitch gon' do what I say like Simon says. Let me hear she talking to the ops and then that bitch dead. Told the bitch to glue the tracks cause I'm a weed puller. Belt the ass, I beat him like a slave, he ain't no weed puller. High as fuck, I'm pulling up the functions with a lean cooler. Fell asleep while sipping up the walk, bitch, I'm a lean driller. Have Brody snatch your chain off cause he a mean jeweler. Better shoot up, you gon' up on him cause he a mean shooter. Beating walls, the pussy punch you back, she got a mean cooter. Beat her off a purse, she went from skirting to a cat pooter. Lately I've been in that trap slapping all pros. Snatching glasses off a nigga face like it was nachos. I've been going solo just like it's ISO. I'm trying to stack my cheese with the chips just like it's nachos.
Light skin freaky as a fuck, like Jada Pinkett. Nigga play with me, I swear I gotta have his ass leaking. Bend up this big bitch and hit him in the spleen. Conversate with bro niggas cause I'm getting to the green. Can't conversate with bro bitch cause I'm too mean. Bitch broke my heart so I turned to the lean. Nigga play with me, I hit him with the beam. Turned around and left his ass at the scene.